Hello, my name is Alan Rodriguez, and in this occasion, I'm going to talk about the activity of CIT 336, the activity of the PDO connection. Okay, so here I have my project in NetBeans, and here's the library folder that we were supposed to create, and the connections.php with the function and the connection and the PDO object that we are creating here and returning here. So this is just to check if that it works. So now if I click in run, I have the XAMPP running. So click on run, I'm going to get a blank page. This happens because it's returning the PDO object and it's working correctly, so there's no error to show. So localhost admin library connections.php. So if we go back and for example delete something here and save it, when the this function right here tries to create when we try to create the object here, the PDO, it's going to have a variable database that doesn't exist actually, so this is going to cause an error. So if we click here and run it again, we can see that there's a 500.php that we have to do with a message saying that the server error. There's an error in the server. This is informative to the user, but not for hackers. That's what we learned this week. And so this, as we can see, it all works correctly. And thank you very much.